Well, LA County officials are holding off on some of the reopenings now allowed by the state. During this afternoon's briefing, health officials said the calculation of the transmission rate now puts it just slightly over the tipping point. NBC4's Patrick Healy tells us why that's a worry.
Anytime that R ventures above 1, and this is now just above 1 at 1.02, it indicates that transmission is increasing over time.
The steady increase in the COVID transmission rate, now calculated at 1.02, coming even as LA County has continued with more precautions than in much of the rest of the state. Nail salons not yet permitted to move inside. Indoor malls still closed, to the surprise of some would-be customers of the Glendale Galleria.
I'm just a little frustrated, but I'm not going to let it get ruin my day.
What's down is COVID testing, dropping off with this month's holiday, heat, fires, air pollution, though even now available slots continue going unfilled. Even so, the number of new positive test results the past day jumped to 1,265. 4 days last week, it had also been over 1,000. The county holding off decisions on further reopening.
We want to wait and look at this full week of testing data so we see our new case data. And that will give us a pretty good idea. That's about 3 weeks worth of data. It will give us a pretty good sense on whether or not we're going to see a significant increase.
To be clear, the big picture still shows our best COVID numbers in months. The chart of new cases showing how twice we have brought down spread after the initial outbreak and then again after the early summer surge.
I think we learned a lot from what we all lived through in July and early August.
And to encourage continued following of precautions, one more graphic with ominous data showing that during the first 7 months of this pandemic year, 18% more people have died in LA County than during the same period in recent years. 18%. What a staggering number. 18% more people dying in LA County this year than last, another 31 today. Now, as for that calculation of the transmission rate, there is a margin of error that straddles the 1.0 tipping point, but the trend in recent weeks has consistently been upward, and that is not a good omen for the lagging consequences that matter most, hospitalizations and deaths. Reporting live, Patrick Healy, NBC4 News. Michael.